Hi everyone and welcome back to Learn Math 24. In this video I'm going to solve a problem from the ACT math test that involves basic arithmetic. As in the previous videos, first I'm going to walk you through this problem to ensure you understand the process, and then I'll show you how to solve it quickly on the test day. Okay, let's begin. Today we have a text problem which typically takes more than 1 minute to solve. If you have watched my previous videos, you already know that by saving time on easier questions, you can allocate more time to tackle text problems. Feel free to pause this video and read the problem at your own pace. Even better, try solving the problem on your own before continuing with the video and compare your solution with mine. Alright, let's solve this problem. At her bookstore, the first 35 hours of each week that Lucy works is considered regular time, and any additional time that she works is counted as overtime. Lucy earns $18 per hour during regular time. During overtime, Lucy earns 1.6 times as much as she does during regular time. Lucy works 42 hours in a week and has $140 in deductions taken out of her pay for that week. After the deductions are taken out, how much Lucy's pay for this week remains? Well, Lucy works 42 hours in a week, which means she works 35 hours in regular time and 7 hours in overtime. During regular time, she earns $18 per hour, and during overtime, she earns 1.6 times as much as during regular time. Additionally, she has $140 in deductions for that week. Now we can put all this information together to calculate Lucy's pay for this week. 35 times 18 plus 7 times 1.6 times 18 minus $140 in deduction. When we evaluate this expression using a calculator, we get $691.6. And that's it. The answer is A. Great. On a test day, you can save time by writing only the last expression, which includes the regular pay, the overtime pay, and the deductions. Now, let's solve the problem once more. As always, first you should determine what we are being asked for. In this case, Lucy's pay for this week after the deductions. Lucy works 42 hours in a week and has $140 in deductions. 35 hours are considered regular time. She earns $18 per hour during regular time, and during overtime, 1.6 times more. So Lucy's pay for this week would be 35 times 18 plus 7 times 1.6 times 18 minus deductions. When we evaluate this expression using a calculator, we get $691.6, and that's it. The answer is A. Great. By learning to write down only the most crucial step, you could save a significant amount of time on the test day. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for your test preparation. If you have any questions, just comment below and I will be happy to help. For more examples, check out my other videos and playlists on this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.